Hi everybody. Today we will continue with how to show splash screen, and then after waiting 3 seconds we show the next screen, the login screen, and how to transition between this screen to another screen using this. This is quite a simple example, and we will use many times when you design your application. So firstly, continue with the previous lesson. We have two functions, splash and login screen. So now we want to show the splash screen first, and then login screen. So we import two screen to the index.js, and then we show the splash. Okay. So what about this? I can change a little bit the background color of the splash screen, and we change the color and increase the font size, and the font weight is bold. Okay, then we have the first screen as here. Hello, this is splash. As we know that the splash will load some data before going to the login screen, so we can make about 3 seconds for waiting between the first screen and the second screen. And we have a main screen, so you can use StackNavigator here, but in this case we don't use it. We use a state. So the state here is a string. The string is current screen. The current screen will be splash or login, and depending on this state, the screen will be changed between splash to login. So we have a render function. The render function will return to a main screen object, and this object here is a JSX or JavaScript extension, and it will check the state. So you can check the state. For example, you can check the current state. You get the current state using this syntax to get the current state from the state, the current screen from the state, and you compare the string. If it is splash, so the main screen will be splash screen, and otherwise it will be the login screen. We have the main screen object here. Sometime be splash, sometime be login. Okay, so what about changing this? How to change this? You can add a period of time to here using the function set timeout, and the timeout will be called when the periods of time has been reached. So firstly, we start waiting, and after 3000 milliseconds, we come to this function inside the set timeout, and here we can show that done some task for about 3 seconds, and I set the state of current screen to login. So here after running, yes, okay, after waiting 3 seconds, we can move to the second screen, the login screen, without using StackNavigator. No StackNavigator use this type. This is another way. So you can show a timer here. You can show a timer for the demo only. So you can show a timer here by updating the timer every 1 second. Every 1 second it will update the timer, and add the timer variable to this. So we have welcome to my app, and so 1, 0, 2, and 3. Yes, so after 3 seconds it will navigate, or it will change to the login screen. So it is quite convenient to use. Then okay, run again. You can run and check and change the time in the login screen. You can change the millisecond inside this. So let's use the first. This is only for demo, but for demo about showing the timer. Okay, so change back to hello splash. Yes, so as any work to do. Okay, you can run here and reload to see the output in the console log. Yes, and see that hello plus waiting, and after 3 seconds we have do some task for about done some task for about 3 seconds. Okay, so it is end of my lesson today about how to navigate the screen from Splash to log in without using StackNavigator, and this is my code in GitHub. You can download here for more. Thank you so much for watching.